హలో ఆల్, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ మ్యాడియాజూ. నేను మీ మాధురి. మీరు కానీ నా వీడియో ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నట్టయితే డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్. పక్కనే బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి, నేను వీడియో పెట్టగానే అప్డేట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful card in less than $3. Yes, you are right. It's less than $3 and it's so beautiful and elegant. You can give it gift to anyone. This is an anniversary theme card. You can use balloons as a birthday card or anything like that. So I use this poster boards. I got them from dollar store. You get 5 poster boards. I used only one. దీనికోసం నేను ముందుగా దాన్ని హాఫ్లోకి ఫోల్డ్ చేశాను. నేను ఎంత లెంత్ ఉంటే అంతే తీసేసుకున్నాను. ఐ డిడ్ నాట్ ఈవెన్ మెజర్ హౌ మచ్ ఇట్ వాజ్. అండ్ లోపల వచ్చేసి ఐ వాంట్ ఎ డిఫరెంట్ ఫీల్, సో వైట్ పేపర్ స్టిక్ చేస్తున్నాను. అండ్ అది కొంచెం థిక్ పేపర్ కావాలని నా దగ్గర ఉన్న ఈ పేపర్ని యూస్ చేశాను. అండ్ దాని మీద వచ్చేసి నేను చిన్నగా రాశాను లవ్ అని, సో టు గివ్ దట్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఎఫెక్ట్. సో అలా 2 పేపర్స్ చేశాను బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్కి. అండ్ దాన్ని నేను నా దగ్గర గ్లూ లేకుండే, సో ఐఎమ్ యూసింగ్ మాడ్ పాడ్జ్ just to stick them up. And Mod Podge works great for this, so you can use Mod Podge too. Make sure you stick it on all sides so it doesn't move. The same thing I'm going to do on the other paper and stick it up and let it dry. It takes just a couple of minutes to dry, and when you open it looks this beautiful. And I'm using a red paper here which is 10 centimeter by 8 centimeter, and I sticked it in one corner. And I took 2 hearts, one gold, one red. For the gold paper I did not have any gold paper, so what I did was I just used the gold spray paint on a white paper and used that paper. And for the next one I'm using this paper which is 9 centimeter by 6 centimeter, and you have to get it 3 times so it folds into 3. And in the center I wanted a gift box, so I just created a pattern with red and gold with the pattern to give a gift box look. So what I did was I just stick the red ones as a cross form, and on that I'm going to stick the gold paper. This gives a very good and rich look, and it's very easy to make. And I sticked it to the paper and I kept a thread to just give a gift wrapping feel to it. Here you go. And next I'm going to add more hearts to it. Now I added black, red and gold. I'm taking this paper which is 12 centimeter by 7 centimeter. So 2 papers will be 12 by 7 and the other will be around 4 by 12. So the first one is not completely big as the last 2. Now I took 3 small hearts and some dots which I used the punching machine to make the hearts from the same paper. And this was very easy to make. And if you watch the video to the end, I used many of these small round papers for the decoration, so please watch till the end to get more ideas. And I did the same to here. Here I'm going to show you how I stick the thread from the bottom. Firstly, apply the Mod Podge wherever you want to stick the thread or the lace. So here I had the pattern where I want to stick, so I'm taking it vertically, and on the corners I stick the glue. Now I'll stick it to the center wherever I need it on the paper and tie them up. Once you tie, you can see the extra threads which you can cut them off. On the other side I just put a small marker, and the same thing, the small things I did with the black also, so here for just giving an effect I'm sticking them. Next I'm using a square which opens up into a heart shape. The square is 4 centimeter by 4 centimeter, and the black one is also the same size. I'm going to stick that one first, and inside I'm going to stick the black one. This is a normal heart which I have cut into 2. So each one on the each side, so when they close they give the heart shape. And the next, this is a photo booth kind of picture which we, so for this, the white square is 11 centimeter by 11 centimeter, black one is 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter, and the red one is 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. And I made sure I cut the red part so I can see the black in the back. You don't have to do this actually. So I just wanted to give that a photo booth look, so that's why I did this pattern. And I stick a couple of hearts here, the gold, red and gold. As this is the anniversary theme, I chose hearts, but if it is a birthday you can use balloons or flowers. And the same thing, I'm sticking the ribbon first for the gold one before I stick it to the paper. And this is a very interesting piece where there are half circles on all sides of the square, and when they close up they are like a closed box. So for giving the pattern look, I'm adding little semicircles, half circles actually, of red to the black box. Now I'm gonna close it. Without the lace also it closes well, so you don't have to add the lace for this. And the last piece of this will be one more square. I'm in this black square which is 6 centimeter by 6 centimeter, and I'm gonna stick it up. And next I have this beautiful heart come square come heart, which is a total length of 15 centimeter by 5 centimeter, where square is 5 by 5 and two hearts are made in 5 by 5. And I'm sticking a small gold paper inside. And for the outside, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more hearts. As I said, it was an anniversary card. For that I'm going to draw a heart on a big one. As this anniversary card, again I used only like bright red and gold and black. If you want, you can use other pretty colors like light blues, yellows and oranges. They do make the very good look. And these are all materials I got from dollar store, so they are very cheap and very best. All you need is more energy to cut them up and stick it. For me, this project took me around 2 hours to do it, so it's not that hard if you want to give it to your loved ones, I guess. If you haven't seen other videos in my channel, please check it out. They are more interesting DIYs I do, and I do a lot of paintings. I give tutorial for paintings, so keep checking my channel out, and please subscribe. And here what I'm doing is I'm just looping the hearts one by one. I just took a half circle, half heart. You can take full hearts too, but I just wanted to go with the half hearts. And here you go. I cut up all the heart pieces and make sure all are in the proper shape as you want. Once it's done, I'm using Mod Podge to stick them all together. The reason why I use gold is gold gives a very rich look for anything. And here you go, it's done. And as I'm sticking on the black, the gold gives a very good look. You can use simple white, it also looks good. And once it's dried, here what I'm doing, as I said, I'm using this punching machine to get all the dots. So I'm going to stick them alternatively, gold red. I just wanted to give a simple design. I just don't want to complicate myself by drawing something and messing it up, I guess. So this is something which goes good with the design as well. And make sure you stick it on all sides. And the next thing I'm going to do is write happy anniversary on the card. For that, I'm just using this red color paper for the contrast look, and on that I'm using the black color marker to write it. And if you want to do, you can use a stencil, but I'm just going freehand for this. And for more edgy look, you can give the double-sided lines for the letters, and that's what I'm trying to do here. And I just cut them up, and using Mod Podge I'm sticking to the card. And that's all, and the card is ready for you to write whatever you want inside. And here you go. My card is something like this, and you can see what I have sticked inside, how I arranged it, and I hope you liked my video. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and comment below. And if you're planning to try this, don't forget to tag me in my Instagram. I would love to see your outputs. And thank you all for all the support I'm getting from past 4 months, and I'm overwhelmed with all the support and love I'm getting. Keep supporting. Have a very great weekend and a great year ahead.